Yeah, I'm doing the adventure right now. They're very friendly and like whenever they meet a new people, stranger, they smile. I didn't expect this. Or Abhi, place name. Video. YouTube will upload. Thank you. Everybody. So back to the track. अभी पैसा डाल लेता हूँ मैं अपनी like wallet पे. The backwater here in Kerala. So guys, we have just crossed the Paral bridge and right now we are here nearby the Paral bridge and this is the backwaters out here. You can see the boats out here, like we can ride a boat here. And this is the place where they used to wash their clothes and there's some kind of wheat out there. So this is the backwaters out here. I don't know the exact name of this place. It's a beautiful area. Bah. I know you are seeing my ugly face out there, this fat face, but it doesn't matter. I mean, I don't care if I'm fat or not. So basically I have to sanitize my hand. Just resting here for some times. The pups that I bought some calories to become more fat. अभी खा रहा हूँ बर्गर. I was really hungry so. Hi, where? Abhijit. Place name? Kumarangiri. Okay, thank you. I met some friendly people out here, but unfortunately they don't want to be in the video. So yeah. But they told me that udhar bahut acha jagah hai. Like they told me that there is nice place out there and yeah, we can go there and see what is there. Like discover something great and good. Only 20% of charge remaining in my GoPro, so I think it's time to end the vlog. Oh, there's an eagle out there. It's big. It was here. I just have 20% left in my charge, so right now we are going to go to a boat jetty out there. It's very close. So after that, I think it's time to end the vlog because you know I don't have like battery in my GoPro. So I want to buy extra GoPro, and for that I need to like withdraw my money, and for that you guys should please watch my video and don't skip the ads, as well as please share my videos. Okay guys, this is the place where like the passenger boat stops and we can like board the boats, like boat bus we can call it. I don't know the exact name, so we can like board that like boat and then go from here to that. But not, I think right now it's closed because like because of the lockdown and coronavirus. I think the service have been stopped. I wanted to ask the local, but I don't think they'll be comfortable to come in the camera. So yeah, this is it, the backwaters. Basically guys, I am around 4.6 or 5 kilometers away from my college campus and I came really far, and that too without any bike or without any bus or without any transportation. I just use my leg, I just walk. चल के आना पड़ा इधर. The GoPro is about to die. I to buy extra battery, but as of now I don't have the money to buy extra battery and I don't want to bother my parents by asking them money for the GoPro battery. This is how the villages in Kerala looks like. I mean, I have vlogged in town and cities here in Kerala as well as in hilly areas, but I have never vlogged to a village area in Kerala. So this is it. This is how the people here in village look like. And if you can see the houses here, even the houses, even though it is a village, the houses are quite developed. I think you have seen in many of the vlogs of, I mean, my vlog as well as in someone else's vlog. I mean, in Kerala, even in villages, they have good and developed houses compared to villages in Northeast India or other part of India. So let's end the video. I know this video is not too professional. I have to learn a lot to be like MSK or Satya Sagar or Mumbai Kanigil or so many amazing bloggers out there like Nomadic Indian or Nomad Shubham and Mountain Tracker. I need to like learn a lot to go to their level. As of now, I am in like maybe just level 1. So we need to improve. So I'm going to improve very soon. So I need your support. So keep on supporting, and for that just leave a like and leave a comment. Like, so as you can see, there is someone out there in a boat. He's fishing out there, the water body, and this is another boat coming here. This is the means of transport in this area, and they use these water bodies, and there are so many of these kind of water bodies here in Kerala. So they're using this for transportation. So it's a beautiful place. This is how they transport, and there are bigger like boats out there. Video.
At this point, I thought they would ask money for the boat ride, but to my surprise, the boat ride was free.
So guys, I did not expect this, but right now I am here in the boat. This chatai take me here in the boat for free. So adventure again. I did not expect this. और अभी मेरा GoPro में सिर्फ 10% चार्ज बचा है, लेकिन एडवेंचर अभी कर रहा हूँ. Finally, I am doing the adventure right now. Thank you so much, Nandi. So basically, right now we are riding the boat here, and they are taking me here around, and it's amazing to be here. Like they like offered me free trip here. कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि वो लोग मुझे यहाँ पे लेके आएंगे. रुपेश रियांग. SB कॉलेज student. SB कॉलेज student. Kerala, beautiful state.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
यार बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं यहाँ पे, और उन लोगों ने इन लोगों ने मुझे फ्री राइड दिया है, तो बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. और मेरा GoPro का चार्ज ख़त्म हो रहा है अभी, तो फिर भी ये वीडियोस बनाना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मोमेंट, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन टेलिंग द पीपल ऑफ केरला आर वेरी फ्रेंडली. ओके, बिकॉज द पीपल ऑफ केरला आर वेरी फ्रेंडली, एंड लाइक everywhere I go they are like helping me, and this is a very great thing. They're very friendly, and like whenever they meet a new people, strangers, they smile, and they are like very warm. They welcome us in their culture. Basically भैया ने मुझे like फ्री राइड दिया था, लेकिन अभी मेरा GoPro का like चार्ज खत्म हो गया. He's a good guy.
After that, I took the auto from there as it was really sunny and I was having headache and there was no option walking at that position, so I just paid 100 rupees and took the auto from there to Changnasari. So guys, right now we are here in Changnasari town or city in a market, and this is a typical Indian market, and this kind of market exists in Northeast Indian state like Tripura, which is my state, and this town is little bigger than my town, and it's a really nice place because I have been living here since last 3 years. It reminds me of the Ambassa market. Yeah, the Ambassa market, the market where I was born. So in this vlog there is not so much, but guys, to be truth, I enjoyed a lot because I have been like trapped inside my hostel because of COVID-19, and today is the day when I travel far alone, that too like around 5 kilometers approximately. So it was a nice experience meeting the locals out there and interacting with them, as well as creating content, and that's what I really wanted, because creating content is what I am for, because life is all about living for our dreams. One life, 4 dreams. That's my motto.
Look at the people and traffic outside. This is only because Kerala have exception for 2 days, because Bakrid is coming, so like people are allowed to move freely just for 2 days or 3 days. So it's a good thing for me, because I can move out and vlog outside legally without breaking any law.